Hello guys, it's been a while, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll share with you one very useful WhatsApp setting that can make you very happy. So everyone is using WhatsApp nowadays, and it makes us very happy if we know the right settings. We know group messages could get very irritating with all the messages that pops up every time in our notifications, and people tend to add us to unnecessary groups which we may not want to be a part of. I understand that some of you might already know this setting, but I hope it would help those who doesn't. So let's get straight into it. Go to this three dot icon over here, go to settings, choose account, go to privacy, and go to the bottommost part. When you see groups, click groups, and here you can see it's written who can add me to groups, and you can choose from these three icons. If you choose everyone, that means everyone can add you into any groups. Everyone, even the people who are not in your contact list. If you choose contact, only those people in your contact list can add you to a group. And if you choose nobody, that means nobody can add you to any groups. So after choosing, you click done. I know you can always go to a group and exit any group later, but I think what we did earlier was much better one. So that's it guys. Please check out my other videos as well. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.